Ciao guys, welcome back to It's Delicious, and today we're going to be making a grilled chicken salad. We're keeping it healthy today and we're going to make it under 5 minutes. This salad is quick, it's delicious, it's healthy, and takes very little to make. This is what you're going to need, guys. Extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, some nice Danish feta. I say Danish because it's nice and creamy. The baby Spagna tomatoes, chicken breast, nice avos, and a cucumber. Alright guys, so let's get going. The first thing that I'm going to do is just cut everything into the right sizes. Here's a little tip for the avo. Just cut it in half, okay, twist it, and then to take the pip out, just go like that. There's your pip. Right guys, so we've chopped our chicken into strips. Now we're going to put salt and pepper. Now you'll see from my other videos that I always put chicken stock powder. I prefer that to salt. It gives it the salt that you need. It just gives something to the dish. It makes it a bit richer, a bit nicer, a bit tastier. So just put a little bit of pepper on it. I'm using my chicken stock powder, but you don't have to. You can use salt if you want. But you'll see if you try the chicken stock powder, it's really nice. So just coat the top with the chicken stock powder, and that's it. Mix it all up. Okay guys, so what's very important about this, you see I've heated this up so much that it's smoking. Alright, it's almost catching fire. Right, it's getting a bit too hot. So the secret of this is to cook the chicken on a very hot pan, and you only cook it one side. You don't turn it, you cook it one side only. Then you have your plate ready. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your cooked chicken only on one side in your plate, and then cover it to keep it warm. Okay, so the warmth alone is going to cook it through, and then you're going to have delicious, tender, juicy chicken. And the juice that comes out of that chicken is going to be your salad dressing. So it's just delicious, you'll see. Alright, so we're going to do this now. My oil is extremely hot. Stand a little bit back because this thing's going to... Okay, that's fine. Right, so you're going to put it in. Put in all your chicken. Make it flat so it's all touching the bottom of the pan. Okay guys, so look, I haven't turned it yet, alright? Now it's almost cooked right through from one side. So look how it's still a little bit raw on the top. Okay, that's when you must take it off. So don't worry, because it's only cooked on one side. Look at the bottom, how nice this looks. You see, that's what you're trying to achieve, that nice brown, golden brown look. And by only cooking it one side, it's going to remain beautiful, juicy, and soft. Okay guys, so you're going to put in your plate, and you're going to cover it. Like this. Okay, it must stay warm. So do this, and now we're going to wait for it to cool down. Okay guys, so everything's ready to put it together now. So let's have a look at this. This is the avo, the cucumber, and the tomatoes. I'm going to put the olive oil and salt and pepper on this and mix it first, and then put the rest on. Right, now we put the feta. I've just sort of crumbled it. Alright, so now let's look at the chicken. Okay, so see how it's cooked right through now. So I'm going to take a fat piece just to prove it to you. Let's take this fat piece over here, break it, and you can see it's cooked right through. Look how soft that is. It's beautiful. Okay, So now you just spread that over your salad, like that. Now remember I told you that we're going to be using the juice that comes out of the chicken as the salad dressing. I'm going to show you now how much is left. Look at all the juice that came out. Okay, so that is your salad dressing. Okay, that's all done. Now we mix it up. There we go. There is your perfect grilled chicken salad. So guys, I hope I made my 5-minute time limit. You're gonna love this. It's healthy, it's delicious, it's great. It takes 5 minutes to make. You can see. Just do it the way I told you if you want the chicken to be tender. If you cook it both sides, it's not going to be tender. So guys, if you want to stay well fed, subscribe to my channel, support me, give me a thumbs up on this video please, and buon appetito. I'll see you soon. Ciao, ciao.